How to make custom stickers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. If you want to make a sticker out of this photo, then press and hold the photo to outline the subject of the sticker. For example, a car. After that, tap on Add Sticker. As you can see, you have now successfully added this sticker to your sticker collection. Following these steps, you can easily make custom stickers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.